Okay, so today we will be making the King Cobra bracelet. You will need we're gonna need, basically, if you connect these together, we're going to have 10 feet of paracord, because each of these are about 4.5 feet, and you're gonna need 2 4.5-foot strings. First, grab the string of your choice. Grabbing this one. Okay, so set it up. Well, also you're gonna need a buckle. And there's 2 parts of the buckle. One with 1 notch and one with 2 notches. We're gonna use the one with the 2 notches, like this. And then the one closest to the top of the buckle is called the whistle. You're gonna put it through the whistle of the buckle. Push the one on your right on your left through first, and you push it through on the bottom. The bottom, and then grab your other one and push it through the bottom. Okay, so now that you've got it through the whistle, you're gonna pull it all the way through until there is basically a loop with the color. Now that you have your loop, you're going to reach into your loop and grab the 2 strings and pull it through. Now that I have even ends, it should look like this. Okay, so now you have this. Well, you're gonna keep your other string for a little later. By the way, we're making the King Cobra, if I didn't say that. Okay, so the one on the left is going to be your presentation side, basically, which will be my pink, because I want the pink on the outside. Oh yeah, by the way, this is an example of a King Cobra. And today we're gonna have to make the Cobra to get to the King Cobra. So if you just want the Cobra today, we'll be making this also. Okay, so now grab your other side of the buckle. And now there's no whistle. Not like a whistle that you blow through and stuff. So now push it through the bottom. Of the other part of the buckle, and make sure it's even, and then pull to how you. Okay, so now that you have got your strings all organized, mine weren't exactly too organized, you should have 2 strings like this. Now, you're gonna flip it so that the 2 strings will be facing upwards. So, also, lose count of your stitches. The first one's always over and then under. So, over, under, pretend I lost count of my stitches. Where's my stitches? Over, under. Okay, now I'm on over. So, every time it's over, you pull the string on the left over, then you pull string on the right over, and then pull through to make that pretzel, and pull. And then after that, you when it's under, you have to pull under it again and then over, if that makes any sense. So when it's under, you pull the string on the right under, or when it's under, you pull the string on the left to go under, and then you pull the string on the right to go under it, over through the first loop. But when it's over, you, I guess you put it over this, over, under, and through, like that, okay? I'm going to continue the process of making the bracelet. After I'm finished with the bracelet, I will talk some more. Okay, now what? Can't burn it without a parent. Okay, keep doing that under-over pattern all the way down.
So I want you to finish it and I'll cut so you're finishing it.
Fit as many stitches as you can into the bracelet. Okay, so I'm gonna cut the ends off with a nice and sharp pair of scissors, or else it takes about a minute to cut each end off. Okay, so now I've got both my ends off. Well, you have to be supervised with the parent, which I am right now. And you get your lighter and burn each end. Then run it under some cold water. Dry it off, and you've got your normal Cobra. Keep watching if you want to learn how to make the King Cobra bracelet. If you want to just keep your normal Cobra, which mine is dual-sided because they had two colors, keep your normal Cobra, but do whatever you want. Okay, so to set this up, you're going to fold your string in half. And then you're going to grab the side that you put like the whistle and stuff in and put it on either side of the two of the and pulled through. Then you go to the other side of the one with the whistle, grab the other end of the string and push it through and pull it all the way through until there's a loop. Not twisted like mine. Now, pull it over the buckle and pull it. Mine's stressed. Now pull the strings up and push your other bracelet down a little, and then grab the left side of your string, pull it over your bracelet, pull it over the string that you pulled over, push it under everything, up through this loop, and then you got another Cobra stitch. Just do Cobra stitches all the way down this, and I will show you how to finish it. So then you go under again, pull over the bracelet, pull through. They can be as tight or as loose stitches as you want. Try to keep your head back. All Cobra stitched. I'm gonna cut the ends very, very short. But we're not done yet. Okay. So now we're, be parent supervised with your lighter. So now you're gonna burn the two ends that you just cut. 1 second. Make sure not to light anything on fire. And don't burn your house down. Then rinse it under cold water, or first I like pressing it against a plate so the burns are flat. And then I put it under cold water so I can actually wear it and it doesn't burn my arm. Squeeze it out. And then you got your King Cobra.